You ready?
Hello everybody, it's MolverianX here, playing Minecraft, and I'm sorry about the really bad video quality because of the because in the 1. This is gonna be the way it is for all the 1.9 snapshots, because it is in like there's a Java error or something, and it won't let me have a it won't let me have full screen. But except for F11, which doesn't work on OBS. Alright, so let me talk about my concept. In Minecraft 1.9, there was these new mobs called shulkers. And they're these little guys who shoot missiles and stuff, and they're really cool on their own, right? Well, what you can do is you can summon in a shulker that has that doesn't pop its head up or shoot missiles. You do summon shulker, and then you put in no AI 1B, and then it, unlike its brother over here, it won't pop its head. Now, you do, in 1.8, they added armor stands. They can be made invisible, float in air, and can be given scoreboards. But in 1.8, what happened is if you made mobs ride each other, number one, they would look really weird. Number two, they might even not work. Number three, when you try to teleport the base mob around, it doesn't teleport the other mobs with it. In 1.9, however, there's another tag called there's a replacement tag called passengers. And with passengers, you can define blocks, entities that follow the mob, or entity. So what you can do is you can do this. So /summon armor stand, and then passengers ID. Okay, so that's what it says when you do it wrong. Alright. Okay. So what you do is you put a bracket and then that. Then you put in ID, and then let's just say shulker, right? And then you put in no AI to make sure that it doesn't pop up its head and it'll shoot things at the player. Equals 1B. Put it like that. And then it's like an armor stand, but it has a passenger with shulker, right? Then you can teleport, and then you can teleport the armor stand around. So ati type equals armor stand. And I'll be right back. I'll edit this part back in. But see you in a bit. And I'm back. Okay. So what you can do from here is teleport the armor stand in any direction. Just say that. Boom! And the shulker moves with it. Couldn't do that in 1.8, could you? Nope. Alright. So from here, what you can do is you can summon in a armor stand that's invisible, but it has and has no gravity, and also has a falling sand entity. And if you didn't know already, a falling sand entity is when, like, you you break a block underneath sand, and it falls. Like, let's say Hypixel. You play the TNT wizard, and there's these flying blocks. Those are falling sand entities. And how do they make it look like different blocks? They do this. They say block, colon, Minecraft Prismarine. Well, it's plugin code, but still, it's the same concept. And then, yeah. So once you're done doing that, you power that command block, and you get this. Now it's really glitchy. You can see the shulker block, and to get rid of that, you just do /effect, add E, type equals shulker, R equals just like 2, 3, and then you type in INV and then click tab, and it auto puts in invisibility, and then you put the multiplier, just put 1, and then true, which toggles on no bubbles, so that there's no effect from it. You execute that, no more glitchy shulker. And from here, you can just teleport this around and do some pretty cool stuff. And on an old world, I had made these command blocks too, and I'll put these in the description. I made some command blocks that detected facing direction. Although, just a warning, I didn't get the these positions done, like the NW, like northwest, northeast, southwest, and southeast. If you can get that's all this sorted out and stuff, that would be amazing. And like, comment and yeah. But this is what I have so far: up, down, north, south, east, and west. And what I did is I searched for a player holding a compass named Magic Carpet, and then when they're holding that item and they look in a certain direction, it teleports all armor stands with the scoreboard value platform 1 to the position you're looking at. Only it's smooth movement, not block by block like in previous creations. So watch this. See that? Millimeter by millimeter by millimeter. So what does this have implications for? Well, if you know about Spigot, there's you know about this popular plugin called Movecraft. And if you've ever been on like a roleplay game server, sometimes there's moving block structures, right? But they move block by block, right? And they're super laggy. Well, in 1.9 there's a lot of optimizations, and there's a ton for entities. However, what you would be able to do is, in a plugin, you could make it so that it would use Movecraft's protocol to read the ship, and then it would be able to shift the blocks in any facing direction you desire, and it could and it wouldn't be blocky movement. It would be smooth and sleek, like Archimedes' ships mod, which is very laggy and most computers can't handle it. But as you saw it was fine. I mean, you know, bigger ships, a little less computer, might be a little laggy, but it still would probably be better than most Movecraft vehicles. So, my dream is that either I or somebody else, once Spigot 1.9 releases on Tuesday, this very Tuesday, I'm very excited. I'm hoping That's at some point somebody comes up with some awesome stuff to use with this concept. It can also be used in adventure maps to make moving platforms, kind of like in Zelda and stuff like that. And it can be made into vehicles and anything that you can think of. And there's always debugging and stuff, but then there's levitation, and I just can't wait to see what the community makes with this amazing concept. I hope that you have all enjoyed this video, and subscribe, like, and comment on stuff and things, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye!